This is with regards to Robert Vadra, who's reached the ED office. We showed you the pictures that came in. Priyanka Gandhi has accompanied him to the ED office. Robert Vadra yesterday was questioned for 6 hours with regards to the Skylight case. Haryana land deals are back in the focus. Robert Vadra yesterday went on to say that he is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate because he is speaking up for the rights of the minorities. And now for a second day, Robert Vadra has been called in. Yesterday, the questioning went on for 6 hours. We have Priyank, who's outside the ED office, getting us the latest. But let's also listen into what Robert Vadra said when he was summoned by the ED.
ये एजेंसी का दोबारा समन आया मैं हैरान था क्योंकि जिस विषय में मुझे बुलाया है इसके सवाल ऑलरेडी हमने 2019 में दिए हैं। सबको याद है कि मैं 2019 में 2 ECR में गया था। समन काफ़ी मिले थे, 15 बारी गया हूं और 10-10 घंटे बैठा, 23,000 डॉक्यूमेंट दे दिए। एजेंसियों ने रेड वगैरह किया, जो भी करना था। उस टाइम मुझे याद है कि दिसंबर 7 को 2018 में राजस्थान में इलेक्शन था, तो उस टाइम भी मेरे दफ्तर में रेड किया। बिल्कुल टाइमिंग बहुत ऐसा था। और फिर 2019 में जनरल इलेक्शन था, उस टाइम मेरे को वहां बुलाया और जो भी सवाल थे उसके सारे जितने भी इशू थे सारे मैंने जवाब दिए। अब फिर से मुझे समन किया गया है और उसी विषय में जो मेरे को समझ नहीं है, 7 साल बाद है। क्योंकि वैसे तो मैं क्योंकि अभी इंटेरोगेशन या चल रही है, जो समन है उसके बारे में ज्यादा तो मैं विशेष टिप्पणी नहीं दे पाऊंगा, पर अंदरूनी बात है तो मैं यही कहूंगा कि जो भी सवाल पूछ रहे हैं ये इसके जवाब पहले मैंने 2019 में दे दिए हैं। जो चाहे अगर एजेंसी के लोगों ने, जो भी आईओ ऑफिसर है, अगर उन्होंने मना भी किया कि हमने ये सवाल नहीं पूछे, तो मैंने अपनी स्टेटमेंट 2019 की निकलवाई और उनके सामने मैंने दिखाया कि यही सवाल जो भी ये विषय में आपने बुलाए इसके सवाल ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं। तो वो खुद हैरान थे और मैं यही कहूंगा कि एजेंसियों का दुरुपयोग हो रहा है।
Priyank is joining us. So we've been showing you 2 pictures, 2 cases. One is the Herald Heat, in which Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi have been named by the ED as accused number 1 and accused number 2. And on the other hand, you have Robert Vadra, who's also at the ED office for a second day. And this is with regards to the Haryana land deal case, the Skylight case specifically. Priyank is with us. Priyank, you were telling us how today when Robert Vadra reached the ED office, his wife had accompanied him. Take us through more details of the case and what has been the ED line of questioning. What is the ED trying to unearth?
First of all, let me tell you the visuals, because visuals are very dramatic, Sagarika, which is certainly establishing the next kind of political stand which is going to be taken by the Congress party. One, yesterday Vadra, when he came here, he was talking about how he compared himself with Rahul Gandhi, and suddenly in the evening, the prosecution complaint was filed against 7 individuals, which includes Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Today in the morning, we were expecting that Robert Vadra will once again start walking till the Enforcement Directorate office. But Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, since she came back from her tour, is along with Robert Vadra. She is still sitting outside the Enforcement Directorate office, and she hugged her husband while Robert Vadra was going inside the Enforcement Directorate office. That is certainly clearing the line, political line, which is going to be taken by Congress party, that they will still clearly stick to the point that they are being targeted. While talking about this particular case, within few hours, when the Skylight Hospitality took over the piece of land at Shikarpur in Gurugram, that particular land usage just suddenly changed, and what Enforcement Directorate is saying that the 7.51 crore which was spent to purchase that piece of the land was suddenly converted into 58 crore when the land was sold to the DLF real estate company. That is clearly giving a stand that there could have been political conspiracy and there could have been connivance of the government official, which could have led to this kind of land usage change, and that is the main investigation thing for which the Enforcement Directorate has questioned Robert Vadra yesterday. What we got to know that this particular deal and how the deal formulated, who were these individuals who were part of making this deal, was asked from Robert Vadra, and today in the next line of questioning, it would be the 3rd hard set of questioning because yesterday he appeared twice, post and after lunch before the enforcement directorate, and now Robert Vadra will be questioned related to that whether there was any kind of connivance of the government officials or not. Yesterday itself he has made it very much clear that this is a political conspiracy, but at the same time he has also compared himself at par with Rahul Gandhi, where he said that Rahul Gandhi is being targeted inside the parliament and I'm being targeted outside the parliament. That's a BJP stand.
We are observing